window.
Ladies and gentlemen, lot 135, the most glorious sports racing car ever to come from England, the 1955 Jaguar D Type, the model that won at Le Mans 2 years in a row. This one with multiple first place finishes to its credit. This is surely the only one ever to participate in Finnish ice racing with 1-inch spikes on its tires, and also the only one to ever race in the Soviet Union. It's been fully restored and authenticated by the leading D-Type specialists, finished in British racing green as it was built new by Jaguar. And with its FIVA passport and FIA papers, it is tailor-made for vintage racing and rallying, and no car will look better doing it than 1955 Jaguar D Type.
Thank you very much, Alan. I'm going to open the bidding on this well-documented Jaguar D Type at $2 million now. Would you bid me $2 million? Thank you, Barney. $2 million. I am bid in the room at $2 million now. Do I have $2,250,000? Thank you, standing back in the room at $2,250,000. Would you bid me $2,500,000 now? $2,500,000 I have already. $2,750,000. Would you bid me $3 million now? $3 million, thank you. At $3 million now, do I have $3,250,000, sir? We're at $3,100,000 I have on my left. At $3.1 million, do I have an advance? At $3,100,000. Do I have $3,200,000, Barney? $3,200,000, back in the room with me. At $3,200,000, do I have $3,300,000 from you, sir? $3,300,000 I have. At $3,300,000, it's against you. At $3,300,000, do I have any advance? At $3,300,000 then, on the Jaguar D Type. $3,400,000, you bidder, with you, sir. Do I have $3,500,000 now? It's against you on my left, it's against you as well here in front of me. At $3,400,000. At $3,400,000 then, well done, all finished. At $3,400,000, I can't wait any longer. Are you all done? All finished. At just $3.4 million then. Telephones, will your lights come through? Are we all done? All finished. At 3.4 for the Jaguar D Type. Nope. All done. I can't wait any longer. At $3,400,000 then, ladies and gentlemen. Are we all done and all finished? I've got to pass it, I'm afraid. Not quite enough for the D Type, but at $3,400,000.